Alright, hopefully we'll actually get to ride this thing. They also have a Series 1 over there that I think doesn't work anymore. Oh, the door's shut now. It was open yesterday.
Yeah, you're right. I'll get the list.
Yeah. Yeah. I think they had a restaurant down there at one point, but they closed it.
That makes sense.
The Daniels and Fisher Tower.
Oh, check that out. Look, they have some elevator.
Oh, wow. So, yeah, this definitely used to be manually controlled originally.
Check out the ceiling.
Oh, yeah. Let's hope it comes.
Although I don't know what the hell they're running.
Yeah. Yeah, well, a lot of historic buildings are pretty under-elevated. There we go.
How's it going?
Hello. All right. 16, 15.
7's unlocked.
Oh, well. Whoa!
Yeah, these go. Bruh.
7.
Yeah, this thing goes.
And interesting, you also have this Annunciator here.
How's it going? We got to go.
You guys going down?
Yeah.
You want to come?
We gotta take some stuff with us.
Oh, okay. Yeah, look at that. You got an Annunciator there. Sam.
What's up? What the hell is this? Return.
Yeah, I've noticed those a few times. I don't know exactly what that button does.
I was able to get to,
Whoa!
yeah, I was able to get to, yeah, this is gearless for sure.
This is what again?
Gearless. How's it going?
Gearless. Alright. That's it.